The FDA says more than a dozen cancer drugs are in short supply, and it's forcing patients to change their treatment plans. It can sometimes mean the difference between life and death.
And now we're getting reports that the FDA is looking to import unapproved cancer drugs from other countries to help with that shortage. Fox 5's Linda Schmidt joins us live from the newsroom. And Linda, you talked to a family who's going through the realities of this shortage.
Yeah, Steve and Natasha, it's actually fascinating and mind-blowing that this is actually happening in this country to begin with. Now, the family that I spoke with is originally from New Jersey. Their mother's cancer treatment suddenly was not available.
This really was a blow. I felt like the wind was knocked out of myself and her as well.
Ingrid Perez and her 74-year-old mother, Martha, were stunned last week when they arrived for her mother's weekly chemo treatment for breast cancer. They were told there is a shortage of her chemo drug, carboplatin.
We just kind of looked at each other like, what do you need?
The family is originally from New Jersey. Ingrid and her mom now live in West Palm Beach, Florida. Her sister Katia lives in New York and flies back and forth.
It is very, very difficult to show up one day and to have the doctor tell you that the medicine is not available that could save your life is unexplainable to me. The doctor is literally in tears telling her that her medicine is not available.
At that point, they had to figure out what to do next, which would be, in her case, to shift her to another treatment. My mother has been such a trooper. She's just been so strong, but this was a really difficult moment for her. And I don't know if it was everything that led up to this point. She just started to cry.
There are at least 10 life-saving chemo drugs currently on the FDA's drug shortage list.
As institutions start to run out of chemotherapy or recognize that this shortage is going to be a little more prolonged, they'll start rationing the amount of product they're using. They'll change patients to alternative treatments.
Manufacturing issues have created the cancer drug shortages.
For citizens of the United States being one of the most powerful countries in the world, this should not be happening.
And as if this family doesn't already have enough to deal with their mother's cancer situation, their father is suffering from Parkinson's. Steve and Natasha, back upstairs to you.